Hello, Dr. Wakefield. This is Jenny with my very late research design project. Thank you for allowing me to get this in late. The title of my research project is The Effectiveness of Online Workforce Development Training Interventions for Unemployed and Underemployed Americans. My topic of inquiry is automation and technology is fast replacing jobs that have traditionally been performed by humans. The second topic of inquiry, by comparison, is that it has been projected that 20 million new jobs will be created by 2030 to replace the lost jobs. So I am proposing a study that would use the transformative learning theory combined with cognitive load, okay, to create an experiential learning and transformative experience for those individuals that may have gotten a little frustrated because their job search efforts have not yielded fruit yet. In other words, they search and they still can't find the job. Truth is, they can't find those jobs because they are structurally unemployed, meaning that there is a gap between the skills that they currently possess and the skills in demand by their employers, or either they do not know how to articulate the transferability of their current skills to what the labor market is currently looking for. The population would be 16 to 24-year-olds specifically, but any individual that is working age that is either unemployed or underemployed in the North Texas area. The settings would be any workforce development center. It's a setting of convenience and a purposeful population sampling because those individuals are already indicating they want a job by coming to those workforce solution centers. Okay, the theory again is basically cognitive load and transformative learning, but the action learning theory is also incorporated. People learn by doing. Cognitive load, I mentioned that again. We want to ensure that they get as much intrinsic information by selecting and choosing themselves which links they want to sort through on web portals that are just so full of information. Okay, and career motivation. Again, minorities and those that are culturally different, they've been disappointed so many times, usually doing their job search efforts, especially if they're structurally unemployed, that they need a little prompting. So the research will allow them to see that everyone wants them to win, and it has been designed to ensure that they can celebrate every small success. Okay, let's see the goals. The goals would be to test the effectiveness of an asynchronous online intervention that is self-directed and self-completed for those individuals using a Canvas learning management system. It would be a mixed method 50-hour training course in the sense that not only would we collect quantifiable data, as in, how many activities did they complete, what was the average time that they spent engaged with the portal, website views, and things like that. So we will collect that data, but at the same point, we will also be asking them to submit critical reflection essays, which will let us know what was their lived experience as they were in there completing the activities designed in the four modules. Now, the research question to be answered is, can Americans be taught to become self-directed, competitive job searchers and career planners? That will be the question we will ask, and we believe we can prove that. Okay, again, to keep from repeating it again, the methodology would be that we will use an asynchronous online Canvas course. There would be no instructor involvement. A synchronous course for them to self-direct, self-motivate, self-drive themselves as they complete these 4 modules and whatnot. And we will be tracking their activities while they're there using Canvas Analytics. Okay, the data, again, would be both the Canvas, what we can get from Canvas, and then also Qualtrics. At the end of each module, there is a Qualtrics survey there that includes open-ended reflective questions for us to see, okay, was there really a disorienting dilemma created that made this individual job searcher say, wait a minute, I can find a job, and once I find it, I'm going to get it. So we're using both quantitative and qualitative measures here, meaning that we will be using SPSS to analyze the Canvas data that can download into an Excel file, which we will be running through and doing the standard data analysis tables, including an ANOVA, looking for statistical significance there, and changes in attitudes, perceptions, and behaviors. And also NVivo for those qualitative critical essay questions. Okay, evaluation would involve the four levels of Kirkpatrick training evaluation. We're looking at level one, which would be how did they react to the training? Specifically, did they finish? Did they engage with the modules and whatnot? That will let us know how they feel about the training and the quality of they feel the user interface. Level two would be, did they actually learn something? That would be evidenced by how many activities they reported that they actually completed inside of the portal. Level three, did it change their behaviors? Okay, and of course, that would be those critical reflection essays. We would be looking for things like, before I thought this, or, blah, 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 and then now I think that. So we will be looking for those changes in behaviors and, again, their dedication to completing those activities that are gradually moving them toward getting that dream job. And level four, what would be the results of that? We are challenging them to submit at least one job application, since they would have prepared the documents all along the way. And who knows, they may just get a job, by the time they complete the modules. And then finally, as a researcher, my role would be that my positionality, what I would work solely, because this is capture extracts, secondary data analysis, I should say. And then I would also design all of the tools that would collect the data and whatnot, do all of the analysis of the data, and also report the results. Okay, so I got this in late, but it is what it is, and I want to let you know again, I appreciate it and thank you for watching this at the last minute. Dr. Wakefield, I have enjoyed your class. It was right in line with where I plan to go, not only find problems as a researcher, but fix them as a practitioner. So much success to you, because you have truly got to go here, blessed me with LTEC 6020 this semester, and you're one of my idols, and I just want you to know how much I enjoyed your class. Thank you.